Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the BK Beauty Brushes Angie Hot and Flashy brush set, a 7-piece set designed with mature skin in mind. Crafted in collaboration with Angie Hot and Flashy, this brush set promises to elevate your makeup routine with its soft, vegan, and cruelty-free fibers. Let's break it down and see how it stacks up. This brush set includes 7 brushes, 2 for the face and 5 for the eyes. You'll get the A501 lid shader, A502 crease shader, A503 blender, A504 detailer, A505 shimmer, A506 concealer, and A507 angled blush. These brushes are specially designed for precision, offering a soft yet durable construction that minimizes product absorption, allowing you to use less product while achieving professional results. When I tested these brushes, I was immediately impressed by how soft and gentle they felt on my skin. They're perfect for mature skin, offering precision without irritating the skin. The A506 concealer brush is a standout. It applied my under-eye concealer smoothly, without streaks, which is essential for a natural, flawless finish. The A507 angled blush brush was also great for applying blush with just the right amount of control, allowing for a soft, buildable application. However, while the brushes performed well, I did notice that the smaller eye brushes, like the A502 crease shader, require a bit more finesse to get the exact blend I prefer. It wasn't a deal breaker, but it did take a little more time compared to other, slightly larger brushes I've used. Pros: ultra soft, cruelty-free vegan fibers. Ideal for mature skin, with brushes that deliver precision and smooth application. High-end feel that minimizes product absorption, meaning you'll use less product. Durable construction with a lifetime guarantee. Cons: smaller eye brushes can be trickier to use for blending, may not work as well for those who prefer densely packed brushes. Now, for the big question, value for money. BK Beauty brushes come at a higher price point, but they offer a premium experience with long-lasting quality, especially when compared to typical drugstore brushes. Given their durability, softness, and ability to improve the application of makeup, I'd say these brushes are worth the investment if you're looking to upgrade your makeup routine. Comparing this set to others in the market, the BK Beauty set stands out in terms of softness and the fact that it's specifically designed for mature skin. Many competitors focus more on general application, so this specialized approach gives BK Beauty a unique edge. However, if you're on a tight budget, there are other affordable sets available that can get the job done, though they might not offer the same level of luxury and precision. As for the build quality, the brushes feel sturdy and durable. After several uses, I haven't experienced any shedding or breakage, which speaks to their construction. With proper care, they should last for years, making them a solid investment for your beauty toolkit. I didn't need to contact customer support during my testing, but I did take note of BK Beauty's reputation for standing behind their products. They offer a no questions asked satisfaction guarantee, which adds a layer of confidence for anyone making a purchase. If you're looking for an alternative, some more budget-friendly options are available, but you won't find the same level of softness and skin-friendly features that this set offers. To wrap it up, the BK Beauty Brushes Angie Hot and Flashy brush set is a solid investment for anyone wanting to elevate their makeup game, particularly if you have mature skin. The brushes are soft, precise, and offer excellent control, though the smaller eye brushes might require a bit more patience. If you're looking for a luxurious, long-lasting set that ensures beautiful results, this set delivers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more in-depth reviews here on Beautyistic. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you've tried these brushes or have any questions, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise.